In today's video, we're going to be going over the process of making a new template to save into your Save Templates folder to order from in the future. This is going to be specifically for our text and logo badge product. It will be similar for most of our other name badge products that have a similar designer. So from here, you select your size. I'm going to be using a large one for this example. You get to this name section. So what you want to do when you're making the template, I would always recommend making your template first and adding the names later. This is so that you don't start encroaching on that badge timeout that I was speaking about earlier. So if you are on the screen for more than about 5 to 10 minutes, it will time you out and none of the data will come through. So that's why I'll always recommend making your template to save and then going back to your account and ordering it. So I'll go through that now. What you want to do is add some placeholder text, like for example, where you want the name to be, and the job title, even if you want to change that around and maybe have it last name up there, first name there, job title there, and then if there is extra lines you don't want, you can see there, you can press this little I and it will hide it. So let's say for this one we only want 3 lines of text. Okay. What I recommend from there is uploading your logo next. So there you just click this upload logo button, find the logo you want to use, and it should just populate it into here. And there you can manipulate the size and drag it around as you like. So I'm going to leave that there for now. The next step is to leave this part, come down to step 3, design, choose the background color. For this I'm just going to use a white, but there is all the other options here. You can also enter color codes. Save. From here, these text fields do each have their own styling that you have to set. So for example, this one here, usually you center these, and then you change the individual font sizes like so. You can make it bold if you'd like that. And then once you finish with that one, you click onto there and you can see this will change it back. And you can have it different sizing if you want, different font to make certain aspects stand out. And then on the title again, same process, change it to be how you want it to look and move it around as such. And then the final step I always recommend is under the options here, if you want the acrylic doming or not, and magnet pin or pin and clip, and make sure you save these options to the template, like so. And then what you do, click up here, save the template, if you're happy with that, and then you'll see it's back here, and there it is now in your account, and you load that back up. This will reset that timer, and now you're free to just add in the names as you would like, rather than having to design it and add the names in the same step and try to rush yourself. So I always recommend doing it this way instead. As you can see there, that's all done. If you have any further questions, make sure to check out our other videos, or we're always available to email if you need anything via info@namebadgesaustralia.com.